Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving two things from your childhood if you're over 30 like me. A ring pop and a push pop. Any of you remember those? Okay, had to do that first. We knew that would happen. Push pop starting to wilt. Better get this puppy out of here. Okay, let's examine the post product. The push pops really started to wilt. The thing inside getting hot, smoking, easily triggered that. I'm sorry for stopping us so early, but this is my kitchen microwave and I can't let anything happen to it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to hit the bell to get notifications on my new episodes, and be sure to check out these other ones I did as well.